Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Here's a quick unboxing and first look at the new Oral-B IO Series 7 toothbrush. Got this the other day from Amazon. They recently released this. They do have a Series 7, 8, and 9, and the basic differences are you get more brushing modes and replacement tooth heads. So here we go, here's the unboxing. Really nice presentation, I would say. More stuff on the back. This does have Bluetooth that connects with your smartphone, Android and iOS, and you could download an app for it that basically monitors how you brush your teeth and gives you tips on brushing your teeth. Here's the toothbrush itself. Comes with a charger right here. There's the base. It's magnetic. Plugs right into your wall. Comes with a travel case as well. Take a look at this quickly. Opens up like that. I don't think this is rechargeable. There's no USB ports on it. It's just a case, all plastic right now. Fits two of your replacement heads and the toothbrush itself. Okay, and of course the brush heads. Now they did a lot of advertising on this, saying this has a new design developed with dentists to make your teeth really clean. And it does have a new, you'll notice that this will not fit any previous generations of your Oral-B brushes. This is a new design. And the brush heads are really expensive right now if you look on Amazon. Some marketing material as well as an instruction booklet right here. What does this say? It says register for $15 savings. Okay. Instruction book. It does come in different colors if you get the, I think, Series 8 and 9. But for the Series 7, this is the standard where you can get white or black travel case. Okay. Let's take out the toothbrush. This packaging is really something. I have to figure out how the heck you open this. You just pull it out right here like that. This cardboard. Here it is. Here's the brush itself. On the bottom you notice that there's no hole like in the previous generation. I think the 7 and up to the 9 had a hole here so you could charge. I did hear complaints that this will slip off but without the hole, but I think hygienically I think there's less of a chance of buildup. Is the hole has, for me, over time it will become black and a lot of bacteria like water and mold will go there and you can't really clean it out unless you have a ultrasonic cleaner. Alright, let's take this out quickly, show you guys. Get a knife. Cable is pretty long, and you do need to bring this with you if you're traveling. Again, the case, unlike the previous one I have, it doesn't have a charger, USB port or anything, so yeah, be mindful of that. And here's the charger. Is pretty hefty, and pretty stable, I think. Obviously, if you tilt it, toothbrush will come right off. But again, I think this design is really well thought out. Without the peg hole in the middle, so there's no bacteria. Turning it on, it says, here's I think LCD OLED screen, and it just gives you options. You just pick English. Oh shoot, what do I do? Going through the languages that this has. English, I guess you press power. Oh yeah, here are the modes for the coloring. So if you have a partner or someone lives with you or your kids who has the same toothbrush, you know which one is which. So leave it as white for now. So here are the modes that you could play with: sensitive, whitening, gum care, intense. And I usually just do whitening. And I think there's a custom mode that you could set up as well. See settings, Bluetooth enabled. And that's it, I guess. Yeah, just do whitening. And then let's put the brush head on while we're at it. So here's the brush head itself. You can see that there's a new design. It's a slanted bottom. I believe the heads rotate similar to the old ones, but they added some, what they're calling sonic vibration, which is basically just the RPMs on spinning is just so fast that it supposedly creates vibrations that will loosen plaque. And yeah, so here it is, turn on. I don't know if you can see it, but it is spinning. It's just on so fast that it looks like it's not moving, but it's really moving. Okay. And it does have the sensitivity. If you press too hard, it should light up, I think, on your gum. And it has a timer on the bottom. I think you can set this to your setting, but every 30 seconds it will pause a little bit like that, and then telling you to go to the next quarter of your teeth. Anyway, I just yeah, and if you shut it off, it'll basically tell you how you did. I think optimum is brushing for 2 minutes, I think, but I could be wrong. Anyway, I just came back from the dentist and no cavities for me. And with this Oral-B, I've been an Oral-B consumer for maybe over 10 years. Yeah, no cavities ever since I've been using it. And you can see the power level as well. I'll play with the app a little bit and give my final thoughts on it. But just looking at this is a really nice brush. If you're in the market for a new brush, yeah, I can't recommend this Oral-B IO series enough. It's really good. But time will tell. Again, I really like the design that they did on the bottom. Feels like a really clean design, no gimmicks. Just that I do miss the power level setting. I think they had it in series 7, 8, and 9, but then they removed it. Now they just have one button, it looks like. But it'll suffice. Okay, thanks guys for watching the video. And again, I'll leave the description in the video on where to get this and my final thoughts on it after playing with the app a little bit. Okay? Thank you.